Back in the late 1960s and early 70s, Dr. John Olson, one of the co-founders of OMAX, was one of the primary developers in the ultra-high pressure hydraulic intensifier pump. But you'll notice there are no intensifier pumps on OMAX systems. And the reason for that is, in the 90s, Dr. Olson had a better idea. The problem he'd always had with the hydraulic intensifier is it's inefficient, it's noisy, and it's difficult to work on for people who aren't familiar with the way it operates. Instead, Dr. Olson said, let's take a look at the traditional triplex pump widely used in high-pressure cleaning applications and in the oil industry, and see if with modern materials and modern design, we can make that into a high-pressure pump. And the result is the OMAX series of pumps. We can operate in the traditional high-pressure range in the 55,000 psi. We have a pump that's quiet, that's very efficient, that's easy to maintain, and is easily adaptable to a wide range of systems. Lately, we've seen people be interested in getting more power to the nozzle. Now, with an intensifier pump, the way to normally do that is to raise the pressure. That has problems relating to fatigue. As the pressure and the balance of system, the high-pressure nozzles and the high-pressure tubing and so on, gets higher and higher, you start seeing fatigue in the material. Your reliability drops, and you know you're going to have fatigue failures, but you don't know when. By simply operating in our traditional pressure range of 55,000 psi, and then using more volume, which we can easily attain simply by putting two pumps together, we can go ahead and provide the same additional power at the nozzle as you get from high pressure, but without the risk and reliability concerns going to that high pressure. It's just a simpler system to operate, a simpler system to maintain. Moreover, we get the benefit of having dual pumps, which means that if we want to, we can run two tables independently. We can have one pump down and use the other pump for operation while we're doing routine maintenance, or we can take both pumps, put them together for that occasional time when you have really thick material and you want to make your cut as fast as possible. So by using this pump approach and this process of getting more power at the nozzle, we have the flexibility to run multiple tables or put all our power into a single nozzle and run that nozzle. Best of all, if you're an existing OMAX customer, you can easily retrofit your system by simply adding that second pump and you're ready to go.